Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make your wired CarPlay in your Mercedes-Benz GLA wireless. We are using for that a dongle. This dongle we are now enter into our system of our Mercedes-Benz GLA. For this, in the front USB port, you can connect the dongle. And if you connect the dongle, you have to enable the ignition, of course. So then you go to the multimedia interface and you can see that you have to agree the license. If you agree this for copyright and something else, data, security system and so on, you're ready. The Bluetooth dongle is now entered into your system. Still entered into your system. And we can now use our smartphone or our Apple iPhone to enter into, by Bluetooth, you can enter into the dongle by Bluetooth, pair them each other, and then job's done, baby. You will be automatically wireless CarPlay available. CarPlay and CarPlay Ultra is an Apple standard that enables the car radio or an automotive head unit to be a display and control for an iOS device. It is available on iPhone 5 and later model running in iOS 7.1 or later. And of course, you're now able. If you come back, no problem, it will be automatically paired each other again if the ignition is on, and it will be automatically use the Apple CarPlay again. And with Apple CarPlay, you can make so much cool stuff. You can navigate, you can use your phone, you can make messages, included WhatsApp, you can use different apps which are able to control via your car touchscreen, and you can choose music, playback music, make navigation stuff, and so on. That's really cool, and you have a lot of possibilities to operate with that. Of course, the Mercedes-Benz comes with the touchscreen, and we have a touch area in the center console, which you can use to navigate your Apple CarPlay. Wireless, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback, and hope to see you again on my channel. Till soon.
Hey Siri, erzähl mir einen Witz.
Wie viel wiegen ein Pferd und ein Hund zusammen? Ein Pfund.